body slow. And with you, my darling, no wahala. You be the ginger, you be the fire. Ah, you're the melody in my soul. Make me just wanna lose all control. Yeah, you're the melody in my soul. You make my life just feel brand new.
This music you just watched now is created using AI. I did not write any script. I did not go to the studio. I did not do anything. I only generated everything using AI, VO3 and Gemini. That is what I used. And it is my music. I am not going to get any copyright strike once I upload it on my channel. That is to show you that you can use this music for your movies, for your AI generated movies at the background scene. You can use it for anything at all, even create a music channel and be posting it as your own. You can use your own voice, you can use your own image. I am going to be showing you how you will do it in this video. Very simple. Yes, so what you need to do is subscribe to this channel, because in the next video I'm going to be showing you how you are going to use your voice. Now let's dive into this. You are going to go to Gemini AI on your phone. Just give it this exact same prompt. Pause the video and read the prompt and write it down and continue watching the video. Now it's going to give you an Afrobeat song of a Nigerian female artist. You can use a male. It's your preference. Modern day style, relatable song, generate new words, emphasis on generate new words, avoid copyright strike on Suno AI. I want to upload the bigger version on Suno AI. I'm going to be uploading that video tomorrow, so you will see how I was able to get a full track, a full 3 minutes track on Suno AI and generate the person that is going to sing the video tomorrow. So make sure that you turn on your notification bell. But for now, you are going to use Gemini AI for this. You are going to click on music. Even if you don't even click on music or image, it's going to, your prompt is going to just generate a 30 seconds track for you. You can use for a background music for your videos. So you see now it has brought in the track, it has brought in the cover. So you can decide that you want to use this cover. I don't want to use this cover. I want to use that first cover. I'm going to show you how I use that first cover, how I generated that first cover and generated it and put it in my CapCut. So continue watching. Now I downloaded this track alone. I downloaded the track with the cover. I downloaded the track and then go ahead to um Gemini AI again to be able to get a cover for this particular audio. Now, what you need to do is just go over to, I was trying to download this video, so and copy the link so to share it. So now it's very very easy for you to do that. Just go over and give Gemini another prompt that you're going to use to get the cover of this particular image. Now what you need is generate an image cover for ginger and fire. Do you see? A beautiful lady. You can use a man, you can use a woman, anything you want to use. 16 by 9, and then you are going to download it to your phone. You're going to upload it to your phone. Very very easy. This is so so easy and great. Now let's head over to CapCut. Look for CapCut in your phone, and then you are going to bring in your, first of all you bring in your picture. Now create a new project on your CapCut, and then you go ahead and bring in your photo. Go to the photo section and then bring in your photo. Remember, don't use the generated audio first. When you get to your when you are bringing your image like this, then you go ahead and bring in your audio. Go ahead and bring in your audio. So I was trying to locate the audio on my CapCut, trying to play the video to see where the audio is. So this is where I was trying to look for the audio here. Now you are going to look for the audio. You are going to see a whole lot of audio that are already created with Suno AI. I'm going to be posting the video tomorrow. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment on this channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be able to get latest updates on how you are going to create this. This is going to give you a whole lot of money. So I went back to Gemini AI to download the track of this video because I downloaded it with the cover. So now I'm going to download just the track. You click on this small bell download icon here and you download just the track and it's going to start downloading. You see audio downloaded. So once the audio is downloaded, you go back and then you are going to search for the track that is 30 seconds. I was searching for the track that is just 30 seconds. You see it, you put it, and then what you do is once it has entered the phone, okay, I was still trying to get the track. Okay, now you are going to go back and get the track. You are going to play it to see. So once you've gotten the 30 seconds track, you are going to see it there. So it's not very hard. You are going to check, make sure that you are uploading the right track that you've already uploaded. So I was playing it to see if it is the right track for what I did. So once I finished playing it, I saw that okay, it was the right track. You can also use another track. You can use another track for this cover. It's not necessary that you must use this particular track, but make sure that it is what it is. So upload it to it and then drag the image straight down to where the tracks end, to where the track ended, 30 seconds. Once you have done this, no need to do any other thing. It's your image. You can add your name. You can add by Adiz. This is by an Adiza. This is just a name. I will have, you can easily go and edit that prompt and add your name, no problem. Export it in 720 pips if you are using the free version of CapCut, or you export it in 1080 pips if you are using the paid version of CapCut, and then upload it to any of your social media platform you want to upload it to, or upload it as your background image for your videos. If you found this video helpful, guys, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, put it in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.